going on, everyone? It's Kelly here, and we are here in Costa Rica. I have a team of ladies with me, and we're fishing the Pescadora ladies tournament here. Now, we're here a few days early. We went ahead and practice fished yesterday, and we got 2 girls practice fishing again today, but myself, Dusty, and Crystal, we stayed back, and we're gonna go on a little waterfall adventure. This is the beautiful house that we're staying in for the week here in Costa Rica. We're in Capos, Costa Rica. And the coolest thing about being in the jungle is we have already had some insane encounters with 2 different types of monkeys. The first night here, we were greeted with squirrel monkeys, which is kind of like their nickname, but they're tiny and they're so adorable. And there was a mama monkey with a baby clinged onto her back. It was so cool, and it was the perfect welcome to Costa Rica. Now this morning we woke up, and today's our adventure day. The next 2 days we'll be fishing in the Pescadora fishing tournament, so we'll be offshore all day going to captain's meetings and awards afterwards. But this morning we were greeted with howler monkeys. I think it was the mantled howler monkey, if I'm not mistaken. I went ahead and did a little bit of research. You would think there was a gorilla on your patio this morning when you heard them howling. It was insane, but they're all in the trees right here. So I'm not sure where the little cute squirrel monkeys went. These monkeys must have booted them, and they're all in the tree right there. So one of my favorite parts about being in the jungle, next to the jungle, and where the jungle meets the ocean, because you have the salt water and you just have what the jungle has to offer. So apparently from our Airbnb, we can actually walk down somewhere, but it's on a steep hill, so we got to kind of make our way down, and we can walk right to the beach. It's about a 15-minute walk, so we're going to try to figure it out. And then we're going to come back to the house, drive to the marina, and get picked up by our tour guide and go on a waterfall hike.
Ooh,
this is steep.
sketchy.
So we were going to take the jungle route, but the floor of the jungle is full of like dry leaves. And if you walk through dry leaves, it can get really slippery. So Dusty found this road
Really
next to the
don't.
house. It's so steep. Oh my gosh. Just like bend your knees and squat. Dun, 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 dun. So we have all these howler monkeys in the trees, and Crystal got pooped on.
I think that's good luck.
You're the lucky
Here in Costa Rica.
You're right. Yes, if you get pooped on by a bird, it's good luck, but get pooped on by a monkey, I feel like that's like mega extra luck.
Lady Angler.
Heck yeah, let's go. Hi, puppies. So we walked down this hill, and this house here is actually the manager to the house we're staying in. So it worked out, and we have a local
Lola.
showing us the way to the beach, because in about 40 minutes we gotta be at the marina to meet our guide for the waterfall. Oh, got it. Gracias. Usually just try to stay low.
Was this the path they were talking about?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
Cool how the tree roots kind of make a natural stairs sometimes.
Yes.
I love hearing the monkeys and birds. So cool. Oh, it's a leaf.
I was like, oh no.
Anything that falls from the trees, you're now scarred. You think it's monkeys throwing stuff at you. So pretty. The slight elevation always gets me. We got a little waterfall right here. Trying to figure out how to get down. Here, oh, come over here. Okay, you ready? You gonna catch it? Ready? I don't know if it's gonna catch it. There you go. So I actually just filmed this with my drone this morning, and there's like a little lagoon here, and when the tide comes in, it'll fill this up. Right now it's low. You'll see a little tiny stream crossing the beach that makes it to the ocean. So beautiful. I'm so happy right now. Alright, can I do it? That's a far jump. We're getting a ride back. So I didn't realize that this tour came with like breakfast and everything, so we're just along for the ride, but we're gonna stop, eat breakfast, and then head to the waterfall. This is an insane view. Wow. Oh, this is our adventure mobile right here. I love this vehicle. Look at that. Toyota. Dude, I want one of these back in the States. They're sick. I feel like I'm in a safari in Africa right now. Oh my god.
Time of the year, the rivers and waterfalls here, they don't have enough water, okay? Because it's rainy, it's hot season, okay? It's summer.
Hi guys. What are y'all doing? I'm not really sure. It's just like a little shack and a couple cows. They're beautiful. I can smell it from here.
No kidding.
Wow.
I wish that you could like capture this.
I wish you guys can smell this through the camera. It's straight. It's like cinnamon. Wait, is this? It is cinnamon. Wow. That's amazing.
This is the part that you eat?
Yeah.
You let it dry and it rolls up?
You just take this part over here,
Oh.
put it in your mouth.
Oh, you can eat it.
You eat the meat?
Yeah, this one.
I'm eating all kind. Oh, wow. That was spicy.
Oh, that's spicy.
Wow, I took a big piece. Wow.
Yeah, the soft, woody part.
It's like a big red.
It's like big red.
It does. Right?
Big-
It's like a piece of big red chewing gum.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jimmy. This was
Welcome.
awesome. I knew
This
there
is
was
the best-
I knew there was
This
spice.
is the best treat I ate all day. Seriously, it is.
The best treat that we've eaten all day. You just like suck the juice out.
Hey, but not on camera.
Not on camera. Jimmy had to park the car up on a hill just in case he had to push to start it again, but we're under this tree right now and look at these pink flowers. How cool is that? They're like strands of the flowers, I guess. We're about to walk across this bridge and it is bouncing right now. Dusty, Crystal, and our guide Jimmy. Dusty's on Jimmy's back. Oh man, this is cool. It's bouncing. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Max is putting the drone in the air. How cool is this? This is literally moving. Woo! I mean, this bridge is probably about 400 feet up in the air from the ground.
And then under here we have
These are
Spicy.
uh-oh,
little
Kelly,
pepper.
look, we got a little tiny little bit
Oh,
of
look,
pepper.
there's a piña. Piña.
Look at this
pineapple.
other one. I'm gonna show you this.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Wow. Peppers, lemongrass.
Uh,
That smells so good.
Pineapples.
Are these spicy? These peppers?
Yeah.
No.
Very spicy. Try it.
Oh. Yeah, that's hot. That's hot.
Yeah?
Yeah, my tongue's on fire.
Let me see it. Oh, yep, it looks hot. Hey, look at this flower. Look how beautiful. This has the flower of life in it.
Oh my god. Is that the one that blooms? No. that's
This is
something
the one that
else.
blooms right now because it's blooming.
No, there's a flower that looks like that blooms like once a year. Like for 20. Yeah, literally. Freaking Max. Max with his slick comments.
She's for real. I was just like,
There's a flower that blooms once a year for 24 hours and it looks like that, but obviously that's not what it is. It smells like...
Put your hands.
here, give it to Kelly. She has a
Kelly,
Oh.
you ready? No, this is not good.
Oh, my hands are gonna be sticky after this. It's clear.
Drink the juice.
My lost this. Ooh, that's tart.
Salt and beer
Oh,
is
thank you.
really good.
Yum.
Mm.
And vodka.
And whiskey.
I would
Yes.
tear that
Woo.
shit up with some Cheetos.
It's good. It's orangey
like it?
and tart. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And of course, we have the leaf cutter ants. Look at them carrying all the leaves. There's an entire trail across the lane. No one's slipping. Those look fake. They're so pretty.
What do you got there, Kelly? What's over there?
Right here, we have one of many waterfalls here in Costa Rica that travels down into a stream. That then travels down to another waterfall, and then another one, and then another one, and then into a lagoon, and then into the ocean. Yeah, when you come in here at night, there's probably gonna be prawns and crawfish like coming out and crawling around everywhere. They're all up hiding under these rocks in that tree. Oh, so cool. This is a really nice trail. I think we can go swimming here. We got there just in time. Now all the people are coming and it's starting to drizzle a little bit right now. Goodbye, waterfall. And here comes the rain. Good morning, everyone. This is day one of our 2-day tournament. We got a bird squawking up there, but there's about 72 boats competing in this all-lady angler tournament. The fishing's been good the past 3 weeks here in Costa Rica. Do you mind? Them blackbirds are extremely loud here, but we're walking down to the marina now. We're gonna get on the boat. We leave the marina at 6 a.m., lines in at 8 a.m., and then lines out at 3:30. So we'll see you guys out on the water. It is 6 o'clock and we are officially allowed to leave the dock It's about to be very congested with a bunch of Vikings right now. Everyone's just bumping along.
Just give me a work, baby, work, work.
fishing the Pescadora, and we are currently holding 16th place out of about 72 boats. We're in a good spot, and today the entire scoreboard is going to change. We had a really good day fishing yesterday. We caught a blue marlin, we had a couple marlin missed, we caught 15 sailfish, and then a few sailfish got wrapped up. You didn't eat the bait, but that's just bill fishing. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here in Costa Rica, and we are ready to crush some fish. Also, we caught the 100th billfish, which is part of the Calcutta, yesterday, so that'll be a little bit of prize money for us, but we're gonna get out there, get fishing. Look at this sunrise right now. Just gorgeous, y'all. All right, we're gonna hook up into some fish. Fishing day 2 of the Pescadora, we were catching fish pretty consistently the entire day, which bumped us up to third, bouncing around first and second place. But unfortunately, towards the last hour of the tournament, our fish just disappeared. And then all the other boats in the tournament were calling in fish and catching them the last hour. So unfortunately, we didn't place top 3. We placed 8th place in the entire tournament, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, we absolutely killed it out there. We caught a lot of billfish. We hooked into 2 marlin throughout the 2 days of fishing and lots of Pacific sailfish. We also got 100th billfish both days of the tournament, which is extremely lucky. So we did win about $5,000 per Calcutta each day, and then we just went out, partied, and had a good time in Costa Rica. So you guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a positive comment below, and we will see you guys next time. See ya!